Hey, the real estate market, it's under siege right now. It seems like the National Association of Realtors got sued. We had that settlement with the Department of Justice. You've got Compass buying anywhere. Now they've got a 30% market share of real estate agents. It seems like real estate agents in general are under attack. And what does it all mean? Because real estate agents are kind of lost. How is this going to impact the industry? Well, one of the things that I think is going to happen is the National Association of Realtors is in hot water, because I feel like with Compass buying anywhere, now they've got about a 30% stake in all the real estate agents nationally. And there's the potential that they could team up with somebody like Zillow or with Keller Williams and EXP and companies like Real and create our own MLS system, which would completely bypass the National Association of Realtors. I mean, let's be frank, they've done a poor job of doing anything except selling our phone numbers to insurance companies that want to sell us health insurance. They've done a great job at that, but protecting me as a real estate agent, I'm not really thrilled, and I would welcome that. And I think most real estate agents would welcome that deregulation of the real estate industry, because it would free us up to sell more real estate without the fear of all of the aftermath that's coming from all of this legislation that's aimed at real estate agents. So I feel like it's all for the better of the real estate community, but I want to just mention something. Let's add artificial intelligence into the mix. To me, that is the biggest threat of the real estate industry, because it's reported that about 30% of the real estate agents by the end of 2026 will likely be out of the business, because AI isn't replacing real estate agents, but it is going to replace agents that don't know how to use AI. So once again, this coming Monday, we have an event. The link is right here connected to this video here at our Westshore Plaza Training Center. I welcome real estate agents that want to expose the biggest threat to our industry, AI, and break into how somebody that doesn't know anything about AI can get into it and learn how to use it to increase business and keep you relevant in the industry. I'm Vincent Arcuri, and for more information on that event outside of the link, you can shoot me a text or call me at 813-VINCENT. That's 813-846-2368. Hope to see you Monday.